Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the security groups and do the tasks related to it. As you know that the security groups operate at the instance level and it is stateful in nature. That means it supports allow rules only. For this task I have created scenario and let's discuss about it. Here first we have to create the security groups SG01 and allow the SSH from anywhere in the inbound rule, and create the security groups SG02 and create first EC2 instance and attach the first security groups, create a second EC2 instance and attach second security groups, connect to first EC2 instance using the EC2 connect and ping the private IP of second EC2 instance, and we will not be able to ping. So for this we will edit the second security groups to allow all ICMP protocol, and after that we can ping to the second EC2 instance. We will do this project in AWS. So let's begin. Here I am in the AWS console, and first let's create the security groups. Let's go to security groups, create security groups, and I want to give SG01. This is the security group of SG01, and this is the default VPC, and in the inbound rule I want to allow the SSH from anywhere, and I want to create the security groups. Okay, the first security groups has been created, and in the same way I want to create the second security groups SG02. This is the security SG02. This is the default VPC, and I will create security groups. Okay, we have created the two security groups, and I want to create the EC2 instance. For that, launch EC2 instance. Here EC201. I will select your free tier AMI and instance type t2.micro for this project, and keep here okay, let's create this EC201, create network. This is the default, and the security groups I want to choose SG01 security groups. Okay, I will launch the instance. Okay, my instance has been launched. It is in the pending state, and after a while it will be in the running state. We have created the security groups, and we have allowed the SSH from anywhere in the inbound rule. Create the second security groups, and create the first EC2 instance and attach SG01. Up to here we have completed, and create the second EC2 instance and attach the second security groups. Okay, for this again go to the launch instance EC202, create the new key pair EC202, sg02 I have already created. Yes, and launch instances. Okay, okay, I have completed 1 to 4 steps, and in the fifth steps, connect to first EC2 instance using the EC2 connect. Okay, for this, this is our first EC2 instance, and let's connect this. We can see that the first and second EC2 instance is running up. Okay, here we can see that we can connect to the first EC2 instance, and we try to ping the second EC2 instance. We will be able to ping or not. Let's see. Ping second EC2 instance. We are not able to ping the second EC2 instance from the first EC2 instance. It's why we are not able to ping. That means we have not allowed the ICMP rules in the second EC2 instance. So let's go back, and if we go to the security groups of second EC2 instance, security groups, here edit inbound rule and edit, and here we have to allow all ICMP from the SG01 and save rules. Now we are able to ping to the second EC2 instance from the first EC2 instance. In this way, we have done all these steps, and we are able to ping the second EC2 instance from the first EC2 instance. Thank you.